All right, you know I love a good party, but there's one fundamental problem when I go to parties. I don't really drink that much. So I'm always looking for a way around it. Do I pour a drink, hide it, drink water? Everyone thinks I'm kind of boring, and I don't want them to think that. So I'm all about a really yummy mocktail, because no one has to know what I'm drinking. But here's the good news. One of the biggest wellness trends that we've seen is that people are choosing not to drink. More and more, everyone's realizing that drinking alcohol may not be that great for your health. Shocker, I know. But here are the facts. Alcohol is a toxin. There's no way around it. Whether it's a small amount, a large amount, it's hard on the liver. The good news is when you're in your 20s, or maybe even your early 30s, the body's pretty good. The liver's pretty good about taking in the toxins, pushing them out, regenerating, and helping you feel kind of okay as you move through the day. But as we get older, it becomes harder and harder to get rid of all the alcohol or any toxin, quite honestly, in your body. So lowering that alcohol load is really important, bringing it down, honestly, to under 3 to 4 drinks per week. So many of us are not doing that. Here's another shocking tip. I was interviewing a French chef recently, and he told me that the French, which we think about drinking wine every night, enjoying it throughout their long dinners and relaxing, they actually only drink about 3 to 4 drinks per week. They're not boozing like many Americans do. Many Europeans drink for enjoyment and pleasure, but they don't drink to get drunk. So alcohol is something that we need to figure out how to lower, how to replace, and how to bring down our overall toxic load. Because our livers, at the end of the day, are what keep us healthy. But let's get into it. Let's get into some of my favorite mocktail recipes. So we're gonna start with the traditional classic, right? We're gonna start with the margarita. Who doesn't like a margarita? Well, yours truly right here, but there are too many stories to tell. We'll save that for next time. But this margarita mocktail is very simple. So I've got my ice already in the cocktail shaker, and I'm gonna start with just some common ingredients, ones that you guys already know about. So we have lime juice that we're gonna pour directly in here, lemon juice as well, yummy already, a little bit of agave that I already have poured out. We've got all the quantities up here on the screen for you if you want to copy this recipe. And then my secret ingredient, you ready for it? It's pickle juice. That's right, pickle juice gives it that margarita taste. But here's another fun fact about pickle juice. It actually has some good bacteria in it. I'm not lying. Pickle juice is fermented, so it actually has some of the bacteria that we need for a healthy microbiome. I know you think I'm making that up, but it's absolutely true. And then last but not least, my soda water. So we're pouring all that in, and then we're gonna shake this up. Shake it. So excited. All right, let's see what we got. We're gonna pour that in. That looks like a real margarita. Nobody would ever know, but more importantly, you should enjoy it. I want to see what it tastes like. And you can salt it if you want to. You can add more lemon to it. You can flavor it. Let's see what it tastes like. Yum. It actually really does kind of taste like a margarita, but without the buzz and the alcohol to go with it. That is delicious. So that's one you can do at home. Super easy, lemon juice, lime juice, agave, soda water, and pickle juice, the magic ingredient to help you make your healthy mocktail margarita. All right, I've got 2 more I want to talk about real quickly, and maybe you could try these at home as well. So gin and tonics. I actually like a good gin and tonic, but this one really is a way to avoid the alcohol. So here again, we've got lemon juice, we've got lime juice as well. We've also added in either pickle or you can use caper juice, mix those together, and then you can flavor it. You can add lime to it, you can add some of the blackberries to it, so it can take on whatever flavor that you in particular like, and then you have a healthy gin and tonic. Let me try this one too. Pretty good, I like it. These actually, I know you don't believe me, but these actually do taste like the original drink. So, all right, last one. This one I think you might have seen before. This is a virgin mimosa. This is simple. Ginger ale and orange juice put together, nice and fizzy, sparkly, tastes good, have it in the morning. You can add berries to it again. You can add a few lemon or lime to it, whatever you'd like to it, even strawberries, and it's delicious. And it does taste like a mimosa. So there you have it. Healthy mocktails that you can use for any party, for any occasion. We all don't have to drink, and most of us are trying to drink less. If you want to still enjoy your favorite drinks without all the alcohol, give one of these a try instead. All right, remember I have great recipes posted on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know what you think.